we're going to give you the yogurt effect. I finally get to do it for real, though. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm your host, Derek Soren. Danny and Derek, we're going to show you... I guess.
What is this?
So here's what happened. This is the yogurt effect produced by GamerSupps. And if you've never heard of GamerSupps, you've never been on YouTube. Like, everybody uses them as a sponsor. I don't. I'm not getting paid. Did somebody yelling up there?
Yeah, your daughter.
But I did ask them for these, so they sent them to me. So what happened was...
They should.
I know.
What
so
happened?
on cold
You sound like
ones,
you're about to tell a story.
Right.
What had happened was...
So what had happened was this small YouTube channel called Cold Ones produced a video in which they spent, I don't know, 30% of the time laughing at me and Ian making a completely random drink. Today we're going to create a shooter that may, if you use the right slow gin, give you a yogurt effect. Yeah, it's a nondescript drink that nobody would have ever heard of, but somehow they stumbled upon it. They produced this video that went through us. Everybody, it seems, on the planet then went to my video and started bombarding my comments. I thought I was getting spammed.
Pretty funny.
I don't know what was going on. For like an hour, it was like nonstop. Like I could not delete them fast enough. I'm like, what is going on? I thought it was a bot.
Yeah.
Because I've been hit by bots and they just repeat over and over.
Burning Veil.
Burning Veil Maya. That's what it is.
Was, yeah.
And eventually I was like, let me Google around. And that's when I found the Cold Ones episode had just gone live. I say random stuff at the beginning of the show.
Yeah.
Cold open, I just say something stupid.
And this is like a 10-year-old video.
Yeah. So I was like, I don't know what's going on, random video. And so when they got on this yogurt effect thing, they just went crazy. Everybody just posts yogurt effect. Every video. Every time I launch a new video, the first comment is yogurt effect. Every time. So, and if you don't believe me, go look at all my old videos. You'll see it. It's in there multiple times. And then one of the guys left a comment onto one of my posts saying, you know, they made a flavor on GamerSupps. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. So I went, apparently now they have shirts, but they went out, the Cold Ones made the yogurt effect. And it even says on the end over here something about not containing, does not contain slow gin. Because the trick was the yogurt effect, everyone wants to know what it is, don't know what it is. But I think what I was trying to say was that
there's a coagulation.
The coagulation from a slow gin and whatever else was in there makes it, I think cream. I don't know. It made it like yogurt.
It's like a concrete mixer. It becomes coagulated.
So it's like yogurt. And that turned into an entire product line, which... Then I contacted the Cold Ones guys, and they were like, dude, we'll totally send that to you. And then they CC'd me to the owner of the GamerSupps, and he was like, oh yeah, no problem. So they sent it over, and he sent me some other gear.
Awesome. Sweet.
Cool. And so he says this is his favorite flavor. I don't know if he says that about everybody. But the thing is, this is it.
It's the most current flavor, right?
This is all you use.
Oh, that's all you use? For that much water?
Yeah. Well, 8 ounces. That's probably 12.
Yeah.
I could do 2. But I've been drinking it, not recently because I start getting heart palpitations after a while, but not because of the ingredients. So basically this is a caffeine free, that's the caffeinated version. Yeah. Liam had that like 2 weeks ago and he said he was up until 5 a.m. I think it's because he slept until like 4.
Yeah.
But
pretty likely,
yeah. So
is it what, mango flavored?
Yeah. See it? It goes right in there.
Yeah, I just like dusted you.
Yeah. So it's a mango.
Get out of here.
Peach. It's like a
oh, Jesus.
You can smell it, can't you?
Mango cream, right? Makes sense. So this one though has all kinds of like all the basic energy, like the stuff that makes you think and focus and do all those things. So the problem is almost every one of these ingredients I have every day as a supplement. Well, I was washing the supplements down with this. I was like getting fucking wired. No caffeine. I was just like, dude, I need to code more. I need more monitors. And I started freaking out a little bit. So
it's probably not.
It's fine.
Do one or the other.
That's probably the best endorsement you can give it.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, I don't know. And I was like, why is that?
You want to feel like you're on clean cocaine?
Yeah.
No.
I present to you the yogurt effect. Now, this has.
It's the second generation yogurt effect, being as the original was.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, it's actually kind of tasty.
Yeah. So it's got vitamin C, D3, B6, B12, H, L-theanine, L-tyrosine,
I like mango.
All the freaking extracts and stuff that like basically give you natural energy.
I need to stay up late tonight so I can sleep late. so I can beat the jet lag.
Oh, then you need that.
See?
I don't know. I thought it was pretty tasty.
It
It is
is.
pretty tasty.
I'm surprised how little it takes to like.
Yeah. When they sent it to me, I thought this
Right?
was a sample, right? Because I was like, oh, obviously they're going to send me the sample because,
Yeah,
like,
well, they're gonna
I'm
send
getting
you
it
the
for
full
free.
thing, Yeah,
But no, like
that's a
this is
full-sized.
this is because then I also watched Financial Audit. I don't know if you've ever seen that show.
Caleb Hammer.
Caleb Hammer.
Yeah, he's funny. Yeah.
And he fucking everybody spends way too much money on energy drinks. They go to 7-Eleven buy an energy drink, and it pisses them off. So it's like GamerSupps. I'm waiting for him to bring up the yogurt effect.
Here you go. GamerSupps. Well done. That is your energy drink that you'll be making on the road. You'll be making at home. It is 40 cents a serving with my 10% off discount code.
Like
So wait a minute. So GamerSupps is just.
that's the company that produces tons of these different flavorings.
Oh, okay.
So, and I don't
And
know
they produced it for cold ones.
this specific, so sort of collaboration. I don't know the
Okay.
details between it. He's like, we just do stuff, and sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. Like, this is a fucking meme. Like,
Yeah.
Reddit, it's everywhere. I'm like, how? He's like, I have no idea. It's like, we don't know. It just happens. It's like, just ride the wave and
That's how memes work.
see where
right?
it goes. I'll even put a link below.
It's a
Because
dietary supplement.
yeah, they said it'd be free. Well, I'll give them some free business. Not that they need it. The two people that are going to click on it. This one I haven't. It's the same thing, but I haven't
It's
put it in
keto
one of yours.
friendly.
Liam's only done it because I'm afraid. Because I have enough energy.
You're the
Like,
coffee man, though. Just
I know,
skip
but
a
I
cup of coffee a day and have one of those.
I'm
See what
surprised
happens.
Tyler doesn't drink
like-
this.
he probably
knows about
He drinks like
100%.
monsters.
Yeah. You should. I'll see if he'll have him send me some other flavors. Maybe
Yeah.
Tyler, and then have him crack out on them.
Yeah, we'll see if he cracks out or not.
Like, hey, can you give me a?
It's a good experiment to do with your child.
He takes it anyways.
Yeah,
He's always
okay.
like, Dad, it's just like drinking coffee.
Oh.
And I'm like, probably not, but
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. I'm like, you do you.
But I don't really acknowledge it in the comments because I get so many
Mm.
about they just say yogurt effect. I'm like, I can't respond to these.
No.
I don't bother. So this is my response video to all the people who are like, you're all upset. They think I'm angry because of this. And I'm like, it don't really matter to me. Like,
Yeah,
it's the internet. You never know what's going to happen.
Yeah, yeah.
that's kind of funny though.
Huh? So link below. Get yourself some yogurt effect.
It tastes good.
It's tasty.
If you like
has
mango.
like a cream flavor to it too, which is
Yeah.
kind of weird. I don't know how they do that. I don't know if it's in the ingredient list. Not scary at all. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.
Energy.
Energy.